See, theater is very dynamic in Orissa, not only in Bhubaneswar but in many places in Orissa. I am so happy to see that. I know and work with Sabat Patnaik and Natasha since a long time now, around 20 years, I think so. And I discover many times good and very interesting theater in Orissa. I like Orissa so much. And sorry, I speak in English, but because it's so difficult to learn Orissa. But I wanted to say just one sentence in Orissa. I mean, Aso Soiba, Aso Kaiba, Somdadebiba.
Okay, good evening. He said the true story. There is the theater in Orissa. There is a high level, and I discovered Natasha in 2003, and I learned with Patrick in France the theater. And this is the message today. This is the theater has a very power inside the transformation, and for the young generation, maybe it's like a very important tool, like connecting people and connecting around the world. We are here, and this is the reality. This is we practice the theater around the world, and this is the very connecting, and this is very important for the young people. Maybe like it's less TV, less phone. For go to read, for discover maybe the writer of the story, the whole story. And I say thank you very much for
Thank you very much. श्रीमान नारायण मिश्र मो घर अच्छे आज तांकरी नाटक ही परिवेशित हो मंच सर प्लीज
नमस्कार शुभ सन्ध्या पुरी गले अबड़ा आसे राउरकेला इस्पात पारादीप कोईला जगतसिंहपुर आसले नाटक आसे लिखी जगतसिंहपुर लेखाई एथर अमरेन्द्र मुझे मंच शुणी सारा जहाँ भावुची एथर अमरेन्द्र आर्थर जो मैंने नाटक को प्रोत्साहन दिखती मंच या ये देश में जो मैंने मंच या व्यवहार करती जी व्यवहार करती कला डाकती तेणु ये जो असामंजस्य दूरे देवाई जो विधायक एवं राष्ट्रपति बाबू जो अंगीकार प्रकृत में मंचटे अच्छे आम पाख लोक आम सब आसू नाटक करने एथर आम धन्यवाद देवी सोमनाथ जी सान भाई नाटुआ मानकर निहाती नाड़ी नक्षत्र छुटी आमको डाकी नाटकटी देखिए 75 मिनिट काली जदि कांदी थे यह तो भिन्न रस हो पाए धन्यवाद।